Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am here to do my absolute shout out Sunday and also to finally do the drawing for Craft Creations and her 2,000 subscriber mark. I'm so happy for you, girl, and even if I was only 1 or 2 subscribers, actually there was a couple more, but if I could just have a little small part in blessing you and blessing your channel, I could not be happier. Now, with that being said, yes, I've got this all laid out. Y'all know I'm a huge college football fan with my Alabama Roll Tide. I'm very much of a supporter. But I found this and I saw it and I had to get it for $5, y'all. $5. I got this. Yeah, it's a copy, but I don't care. That ain't my issue. Now, there is a name here. Now, anybody can tell me who that name is. I will send a gift. Because, y'all, I do not know. It says I think it says number 2 or 72. I don't know. Oh, and I'm sorry I'm moving, y'all. I apologize because I'm hitting it. It's so big. But I will send you a small gift if you can tell me who that is. And prove it. You can't just say whatever you guess. You have to prove it. But this is a shout out. And I'm so excited to get to hang this in my room because I have so many people that I love that are friends and family. Not blood family, but they are my family and that live in Texas. So this is my Mod Podge that will get put up in my room. If I can find a Florida one, y'all let me know. One that I can afford. But I would love to have Texas because I've got so many friends in Texas and I've got a ton in Florida as well. And I definitely like to see Alabama beating some Florida Gators. But with that being said, let's move on to my shout out, y'all. Mitch's Mountain Crafts. Y'all, I am so surprised, and I apologize if this is not eligible. I was just scribbling, goofing around, but I am so shocked. I just looked her number up, and I had been wanting to do a shout out for Midge's channel for weeks. Will I help her? I don't know. I would guess most people who are subscribed to me are subscribed to her as well. But if there is just one person who is not, y'all need to check her out. It's Midge's Mountain Crafts. Excuse me. Oh, I'm so tired of allergies, y'all. I am so surprised that she only has 586. But if you go and check out her channel, you're not only going to fall in love with her and her chunky charms and her personality and how sweet and supportive she is, but she's got an amazing, talented daughter as well. So you kind of get a 2-in-1 for this one. So y'all do me a favor. This is Shout Out Sunday. Please go check out Midge's Mountain Crafts. If you are not already subscribed, please do so, okay? Because that's what this is about on Sundays. It's, supporting each other, giving each other shout outs, and being there in this crafty community. And with everything going on, there's nothing more than we can do. It's just support each other. So I ask you check her out. Her link will be absolutely in the description box below. And like I said, if you check her out, you will also find her daughter Sarah. And it is a 2-for-1 because they are both extremely talented. And if you don't fall in love with Midge's Chunky Charms, you're missing out. And I know she's not the only one who does them. But at the same time, with her channel only being where it is right now, it's a shocker to me. She should be over the thousands. So, y'all do me a favor. Please support an amazing crafting lady. Now, are you ready to find out who won? I am. Now, with that being said, I will say I cannot do another update. This is final. And it's final because I've had Jenny contact me And I went back through all my emails, or all my emails and my comments. I made sure I checked for the any spam folders and all that. So we had a total of 13. Now with 13, this is you had to either be a new subscriber to Jenny with Craft Creations, or you had to do a share. I didn't care how you shared, as long as you could prove to me that you shared. And everybody on this list either linked me, shared their link, did a VR, let me know that they did a VR so I could go see it, let me know that they shared. If you did not send me information to where I could go check it out, I apologize. But these were all I got. So we've got new subscribers: Lauren Cunningham, Lou0044, Glittered Wings Creations, Kelly W, Carmen Garris. And I apologize if I am butchering your name, sweetheart. I don't have the problem with butchering your first name, seeing that it's mine and it's spelled the same way. But yes, Carmen, it's Carmen Goris, I believe. But yes, I'm a Carmen too, yay! And then number 6 is Polite Creations. These are all her new subscribers. So, yay, she's made it over 2K. Finally, I'm so happy for her. And people who have shared. Mary Ellen did a VR. Lorraine Barton did a VR. Susan Tootsie Tucker did a VR. B&D Crafts did a VR. Lisa Douglas did a VR. Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts did an IG share. And so did Robin Renninger. So, with that being said, we are going to do the number random picker. And it's a pick a number, and I have zeroed it out. See? Let me make sure. I hate when it turns yellow. I hope. Let me stand up for this, because I don't know why it wants to turn yellow sometimes when I get closer. See, like that? Let me see if I move this photograph, or this painting, whatever you want to call it. Let me see if that helps. And then nope, it still is turning yellow. Okay, that way you've got it over here. And then we're going to put the minimum number. The minimum is, of course, 1. And the max, right here, is 13. Now, I'm going to generate, and whatever it is, I wish each and every one of you the best of luck. Thank you for helping a friend, a crafty friend, get up over 2K. She has been fluctuating so long, and I cannot thank you enough. And after I do this, I'm going to share. Remember, I told you this was for the actual, and I apologize for the noise, but this was for the sticky specs. This is what you were going to win. At least. And I have got an envelope over here I will show afterwards of what I'm going to include extra. So are you ready? We've got 1 through 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So good luck to each and every one, and thank you all for helping Jenny get to where she needed to be. And I appreciate it, and I cannot thank you so much enough. So good luck, everybody. Yay! You ready? No. Here we go. And the winner is number 2. Wow, number 2. I was not expecting such a low number, but yay! Lou0044. You actually have, let's see, today is Sunday, and it is it's basically 10 o'clock Central Standard Time. So I'm going to give you until Wednesday, 10 o'clock Wednesday, Central Standard Time. So that means today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, by Wednesday at 10 p.m. Wednesday night, if I have not received a comment, I need you to comment below this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you acknowledge you won. And you have 3 options. You can send me a Facebook Messenger. That's not my favorite choice. You can send me an email, or you can send me an instant messenger on a DM on Instagram. 3 ways to contact me. The easiest way is Instagram, DM, personal message there. Send me a straight email. My link will be in the, not my link, but my email will be in the description box. So, Lou0044, you are the winner. Congratulations, girl. I'm happy. Well, I say girl, but hey, winner is a winner. It doesn't matter. So, again, the winner is number 2. If I do not hear by 10 p.m. on Wednesday, I will do a redraw. Now, I will say this so that everybody knows. We have officially been in a statewide shutdown. Or as they call it, a shut-in. So, unless you got to get groceries, get gas, go to work, you're not allowed to leave your home anymore in Alabama, and that started as of last night. So, with that being said, I will be mailing out the packages as my state allows it. Now, with that being said, I also, and I apologize because I know I keep saying that, I said the least you would get would be the sticky specs. Well, that's guaranteed. I've also included in this envelope, and just so you know, I got this from Dollar Tree, and it does crinkle, and I apologize for the sound, but you can put this in a binder. It pulls out. So you can pull it out and put it in a binder and use this to store things, or you can shove it in and not use it for a binder. But what I have included is the sticky specs. I've included the 6-piece DCWV pocket pouches. I've included some straws that have been gifted to me because we can always make wands with them. I have gifted all these little mini pom-poms. I've got so many, I figured I'd share. This gorgeous gold glitter, and it's like a ribbon, but it is so wide. You can do so many things. You can either cut out the design, or you can use it for sewing projects or whatever. But I had some extra there, so I figured I'd share it. And then, you know me, your girl Carmen cannot, so you get also the folder as well. But your girl cannot not give some bling. So we have got several different sizes, several different types and colors of bling that you will get in this little, little mesh bag as well. It's not a lot, but it's enough to say thank you. This right here alone is worth it. The extras are just extras. I hope you appreciate it. I wish you the best always. I thank each and every one of you who have provided. And Lou, please, please, please make sure you leave me a comment. Contact me through email, which will be in the description box, or my IG channel is the best way to get in touch with me. Also in my description box. Y'all be sure to please, please, please go check out, if you have not already subscribed to Midge's Mountain Creations. Midge's Mountain Crafts and Creations. Wait. Oh my Lord. I feel like sometimes I just lose my mind. And I do not always get words out right. Midge's Mountain Crafts. Lord have mercy, help me. Midge's Mountain Crafts link will be in the description box. Y'all please go check her out. She is like freaking seriously amazing. Thank you all for taking the time to watch. Thank you all for taking the time to listen. And thank you all for always being there for me. And as I always say, what do I say? Yes, ma'am. I absolutely wish each and every one of y'all the absolutely very best. Bye, y'all.